Hello viewers, end of season sale is running on Flipkart.com. A lot of people were actually curious to buy tablets during this season. They expected that the price of the favorite tablets they want to buy will actually come down, but unfortunately there is no price top in the tablet section. Some of the favorite tablets like Samsung Galaxy Tab, S9 FE Plus, iPad 10th generation, Oneplus Pad, Oneplus Pad 2, MI Pad 6, Poco Pad, Redmi Pad Pro, the prices of all these tablets are on the higher side. So it will be a wise decision to wait for a few days for another sale to come when you will get a chance of price drop. If you ask me, I will not suggest you to buy any tablet right now. Actually, Flipkart's end of season sale is good for clothing. If you want to buy any clothes or any other fashionable items, you can buy, but this is not a great sale for smartphones and tablets. I have made many videos about the exact price you should pay for a particular tablet, and I have covered all the tablets actually, and if you want to know any other tablets price, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer the best price for that tablet, and if you get that pricing, you can buy those tablets. I think there will be another sale in the name of Christmas sale or year-end sale in 2024, and that will be a great sale for tablets and smartphones. But if you want to buy iPad 9th generation, in that case you can buy this tablet because this tablet is under good offers. Otherwise, no iPad is on good sale, so you have to wait for few days for another sale to come. Similarly, many people want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and the perfect pricing for this tablet is about 23 to 24,000 rupees or 26,000 rupees, but currently this is selling over 30,000 rupees. That is not a good pricing for this tablet. Similarly, if you want to buy Tab S9 FE, in that case also the price is on the higher side, so I would suggest you again and again to wait for a few days more to get the best deals. Don't buy any high priced tablet in excitement or in hurry. If you wait for the right offers to come, you will definitely get deals on tablets, and if you have credit cards, you will also get more discounts. I will let you know about the best offers on tablets and smartphones, so you have to stay subscribed with this channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video of deals whenever I upload any video on this channel. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.